rotating beacon.
On.
Engine sync.
Off.
Fuel chucks are removed. Annunciator door light.
Out.
Out. Okay, before start complete.
Okay, here we go. Left side. And we get the N2 rotation, and above 8% I can bring it out, cut off, and right away we get fuel flow, and light off, and N1, and oil pressure. Just watching the temperature now. It's a nice cool start. Okay, and then we try to put this for the battery start. It's a generator system start now. So they put it up to 49% and always wants to overshoot. Okay, right side. 2. Cut off. Fuel flows coming up. And you can see a light off. And see N1 pulling up.
Okay. Free on air conditioning.
We don't have it on.
Radar.
Standby.
Electric elevator tram.
Okay, yeah, we checked that.
Okay. Autopilot.
Yep, give them a call. We're ready to go.
I'll start powering Victor. We have 21.7 in there? I don't think we do.
Oh, yeah. Is it 21.7? Okay.
Metro ground, citation 996 Alpha Charlie at Finisher with Victor, IFR ready taxi.
Citation 996 Alpha Charlie, Metro ground, runway 30 right, taxi via Alpha.
30 right via Alpha, citation 6 Alpha Charlie.
Okay, 30 right via Alpha.
Metro ground, foothills 296,
Dead ahead.
ready taxi.
Okay, brakes are checking. I mean, you got brake pressure too if you want to feel it.
Yep. Right via Alpha, foothills
Okay.
Yep, yeah, I forgot about those are touching.
Yeah, they're touching. All right, taxi check.
Alright, brakes are checked, NC ice.
Yep,
As
not
required.
required.
DI system as required. Flaps.
Okay, I can just
Check the
check
set.
that.
Speed brakes. Want to extend those?
Yeah, you'll see this light come on, you'll see that light come on, and retract. Lights out.
Lights out.
Checked.
Checked. Takeoff trim is set. Thrust reversers.
All right, you're ready. I'll deploy the thrust reversers, and you can go to EMER.
Okay.
Let them come out. Okay, now go EMER. All right, now stow. Now you can turn the switches off, and that's the whole check.
Roger.
Just be 214 Metro clear.
Alright, flight controls.
Yeah, let's go ahead and run them through the full motion.
Just be 214, Roger, clear Chicago Midway, ME's 5.
Alright, free and correct. Avionics flight instruments.
Okay, my avionics is good over here. Flight instruments are good.
Altimeter was 3015.
Okay, thanks.
0653.
Okay, set.
Takeoff data.
Okay, it's set.
Just be 214, repack.
And crew briefing, I believe we completed
Yeah,
that.
as previously briefed.
Alright, taxi check's complete.
Okay, now below or before takeoff to the line
Pressure source selector on
is
normal.
Yep.
Temperature select should be on
It's
auto.
in auto. It's in full cold.
Exterior lights.
They're set for now.
Okay. Above the line or before the line complete.
You can go to the tower, and we can set 26.1 in there, so 18.6.
Ready at the
And
end?
then 26.1. Yeah, you can tell them we're ready.
Metro Tower, citation 996 Alpha Charlie, hold and try 30 right, ready in sequence.
Station 996 Alpha Charlie, Metro Tower, wind calm, turn right heading 350, runway 30 right, cleared for takeoff.
Turn right heading 350, runway 30 right, clear for takeoff, citation 996 Alpha Charlie.
Okay. Pitot 8's coming on, ignition's coming on, and below the line.
Alright, ignition
On.
Pitot static.
On.
Engine instruments. And annunciator
Check.
panel, check and check.
No lights.
Traffic will be holding.
And before takeoff is complete.
Okay. Got all the lights on.
Runway looks clear.
Holding for 8 Bravo Juliet.
Okay. Roll and take off. And I don't know, 98 thereabouts.
Information, whiskey is current wind calm, altimeter 3016.
Power set. Thank you. 70 knots cross-checked. One, rotate. Okay. Pause rate. Gear up. And lights are off.
Okay, I got a little aggressive on the pitch there.
Hotel C9er Metro Tower, you ready? Yep. Hotel C9er citation ahead will be northwestbound, turn right heading 010, runway 30 right, cleared for takeoff.
Right heading 8,000, I forgot to put that there. So dial in 8,000 there.
Citation 6 Alpha Charlie, squawk 3764.
3764, 2 Alpha Charlie.
Yeah, sorry, I forgot about that right there.
Citation 6 Alpha Charlie, contact Denver departure, good day.
Or departure, 6 Alpha Charlie, good day.
And then enter.
Enter, thank you.
Metro Tower, A Bravo
Yeah,
Juliet.
turn right to 350.
Morning departure, citation 996 Alpha Charlie, that is 6.9 for 8, turning right heading 350.
Lots of
Citation 996 Alpha Charlie, Denver departure, radar contact, climb maintain, flight level 230.
230, 6 Alpha Charlie.
Now we just
So
move
we
it.
push it down.
Push it down. That's right, thank you. Alright, 230.
Okay, 230.
Number 6 Alpha Charlie, fly heading 050, vector straight climb.
050, 6 Alpha Charlie.
Okay, 0.
Vampire's pretty close there.
Okay, yeah, good enough. And after takeoff checklist.
After takeoff, landing gear.
Okay, yeah, you can just
Up. Landing lights are off. Flaps are up. Ignition.
it's off.
Okay, climb power is set. Pressurization. Were we checking for that?
Yeah.
Okay. Passenger advisor, we don't have any engine sync as desired. Altimeter, we'll wait for that above 18,000 feet. And Freon cooling.
Yeah, we don't
want to
have it on.
so okay. Alright, after takeoff complete.
Okay, yeah, just the transition altitude 992, that's all that's left. Okay, climbing the 230, it's armed. I've got an airspeed hold at the moment. The climb schedule, doing pretty good for this airplane, is roughly speaking, is 220 knots at sea level.
Okay.
And 1 knot per 1,000 feet, or 10 knots per 10,000.
Okay.
So I'm a little fast per that climb schedule, but it's, you know, it climbs up pretty good at that speed for now.
Yeah.
Expedite 13000.
Good morning, Center, this is Citation 996 Alpha Charlie, climbing through 17.2 for flight level 230.
Alright, 996 Alpha Charlie, Denver Center, climb maintain, flight level 260.
Up to 260, 996 Alpha Charlie.
Okay, so we set it there, and then we can always check that it's armed there. Between the two of us, and keep us from busting in altitude.
Yeah.
Target 540, contact
Go above. So basically now, I mean, when you look on the chart, it's -10, and we're 25,000. So it probably shows 103.
996 Alpha Charlie, climb maintain, flight level 340.
Climb maintain 340, 996 Alpha Charlie.
What are we saying?
340 set arm. So
25 and above.
yeah, it's the reaches the 103 or even 104. So it's just the max limit on the engines.
Gotcha.
For cruise power then. So now all I gotta do is just keep it from going above 104, and technique wise just keep it at 103. Okay, descent check.
Yes, sir. Alright, defog.
Yeah, we won't need defog or the foot warmer thing, so disregard that.
Pressurization controller.
Okay, so we got set at 500 feet above field elevation now. 47, 5,200. So we got to set it to almost there.
Northern Skies 102,
Right
contact
here.
Lewis, approach 120.5.
I don't know, I barely had to move it to make a point, so 5,200 on that scale there.
102, contact Billings,
Yep,
approach
set.
120.5.
Any ice? Don't need it today. Landing data, we reviewed that.
Yeah,
Crew briefing.
okay, yeah,
Northern Skies 102.
I think we've talked about it enough sufficiently. Planning a visual mostly. We'll see how. I'm surprised he gave us 15,000 already.
Yeah. Belts, you good over there?
Yep.
Number 908, Golf, Flight Center.
Altimeter, we'll wait for...
Number 996 Alpha Charlie.
Alpha Charlie, go ahead.
6 Alpha Charlie, can you broadcast for a Northern Skies 102? If you can reach him, tell him to contact Billings on 120.5.
Alright, 120.5, and what was it called that again?
Northern Skies 102.
And Northern Skies 102 is the Citation 6 Alpha Charlie. Center 12 over on 120.05.
Yeah, he's telling me he didn't respond.
And Center 6 Alpha Charlie, no response.
Thanks.
It's really pretty.
Yeah.
Really great. There's a cool looking road that goes down through here.
Uh-huh.
Lots of windy roads.
That's probably that Chief Joseph Highway in that area. I mean, it's amazing views.
Livingston, Montana. Automated weather observation 1408 Zulu. Wind 320 at 12.
You're getting the weather when I do that?
Yep.
Oscar Bravo
Okay.
Sierra.
And clear. Temperature 15 Celsius. Dew point 11 Celsius. Altimeter 3000. Remarks. Density altitude 5,700.
November 6 Alpha Charlie, contact Big Sky approach 1955.
1955, Alpha Charlie, good day.
I said,
American 145, Salt Lake Center.
I said blue sky, I meant big sky. Of course,
145.
big sky.
One big spot. Big Sky approach, citation 996 Alpha Charlie is 16.3 for 15,000.
Number 996 Alpha Charlie, Big Sky approach. Good morning, send maintain 13,000 and verify you have the Livingston weather.
Alright, down to 13,000, and that's affirmative on the weather for 6 Alpha Charlie.
Number 6 Alpha Charlie, Roger, plan for the visual approach to Livingston Airport.
Yep.
Want to request 2 mo?
Nah, we'll just plan the visual.
Alright, plan for visual, 6 Alpha Charlie, thanks.
Okay, what do you say?
13,000.
Okay, 13 zipper. And if he doesn't have any traffic for us, I think we can turn him loose.
Cancel live fire with them?
Yeah.
Approach citation 6,000 Alpha Charlie. If you don't have any traffic between us and the airport, we don't cancel with you in the air.
Number 6 Alpha Charlie, Roger, I don't show any traffic between you and the airport. I do show 3 targets about 7 miles north of Livingston Airport westbound. IFR cancellation received, maintain VFR.
Alright, so we'll keep an eye on traffic 6 Alpha Charlie.
All right. Now we can switch over to, did you say VFR?
He said maintain VFR.
Oh.
He didn't say cleared from the frequency yet, though.
Oh, okay.
Number 6 Alpha Charlie, those 3 targets appear to be continuing northwestbound. I don't think they'll be a factor for you. Radar service terminated. Squawk VFR, change to advisory frequency is approved. We'll talk to you on the way out.
Alright, Squawk VFR, change to frequency approved. 6 Alpha Charlie, talk to you soon.
Got the airport side just because I remember from you the other day,
Oh, I see
the
it,
white
yeah.
building is there.
Okay.
You can barely see the runway. This side of the white building, those white buildings are at the
Yeah.
far end there. Yeah.
Looking at traffic, citation 996 Alpha Charlie is 10 miles to the southeast, descending out of 10,000 for runway 22 Livingston.
And Alpha Charlie, right now, no other reported traffic. And if you want to park in front of the lobby, your passenger's baggage is there, and that's where they're at.
Alright, we'll do that,
That's
thanks.
good.
And you said you were okay on fuel, right?
That's affirmative.
Okay.
Same gal as the other day I told her that. I won't need any fuel.
Alright, Barrows, 3000.
Oh, 000? Okay.
000 here, yeah. Alright. Alright, fuel cross feed off.
Yep.
Ignition on. Engine sync is off. Exterior lights.
Yeah, they're set for
Flaps as required for now.
Okay.
Before landing gear, we'll have landing gear to go.
Okay. Yep, flaps to go for that, and I'll call the gear down here shortly. Got a visual, good visual on the runway now.
Livingston traffic, citation 906 Alpha Charlie is going to be turning a 2 mile left, or a 2 mile final for runway 22, Livingston.
Roger, Alpha Charlie.
Flaps approach.
Let's approach. Alright, set and indicated.
Gear down. Before landing checklist.
Alright, landing gear is down in 3 greens, no red. Landing lights are now on, and exterior panel is clear. Speed brakes are retracted, and flaps to go.
Okay.
Landing complete.
Thank you. Now flaps to go. Flaps full.
Flaps full. Alright, flaps down and indicated.
Got the power at idle at the moment. I'll catch it here shortly.
Okay.
Right about in there. I kind of have a VASI.
Yeah, kind of
Slightly. Red over red.
rough plus 5.
Okay, I've got
Rough plus 10 right now.
okay. Trying to get back to the ref here. Still.
There's ref.
There's ref. Speed brakes.
Brakes. Speed brakes are set.
On the brakes a little bit. Alrighty. Yeah, after landing, the ignition's off, pitot heat's off.
Alright, thrust reversers are stowed. Flaps will set for going up or take off.
Just a takeoff.
Alright, speed brakes are retracted. Ignition, pitot you already covered. Anti-ice is off. Exterior lights. Transponder radar. Will be good for now.
Yeah, that's still good.
Alright, after landing is complete.
Okay.
Tip looks good.
Okay. Alright, I'll turn off the AC avionics here.